How to enable diction in Microsoft OneNote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable diction and use voice to type in your Microsoft OneNote. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser, head over to the notebook that you have created in your Microsoft OneNote. Now, in the home page, you will be able to see the microphone icon. This will help with the diction. Just tap on it, and you'll need to tap on the after you've tapped on the dictate option, you can see that whatever you speak will be written right there on the note. And then you will need to tap on the purple mic icon at the bottom to stop the dictation. So there you go. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.